Hi guys, I've got a couple of other bits and pieces done now since I spoke to you last. That's a nice easy access cupboard. I decided to put a door down here because I'm going to have the frame rails and stuff for the bed. This one, as you can see inside there, is going to be used for the toilet. I've got to make a trolley system for the toilet to pull the toilet in and out yet. So one second, I'll open this door and make a bit of room. There we go. So that's the two of them doors sorted along the same style now as all the rest of them. Now the next job I've just done, I've got my trims up along the top now, as you can see, tidies it up a nice bit. I'm painting the ceiling, but I'm burning this. You'll understand more as I'll do a video of how I'm doing it later on. This I showed you on the last video was where my hidden lights were. So I'll give you a quick look, see what the crack is. There you go. So I'm going to run an accent light now along. That's it done there now. Now bear in mind the ceiling is going to be white, so that's going to throw out a lot of light. And I'm going to run the same now. I've got to put a trim along the edge here, and I'm going to run the same lighting system on this. But I want to wait until the sorry guys for spinning the camera around. I want to wait until this window is done before I'll do that side. So what I'm trying to do now at the moment is I'm going to get as much as I possibly can done on this side, because today isn't a good enough day to do the window. So I'm going to wire in the sockets, wire in the control panel and the two USB sockets you see just above the battery there, and get as much as I can wired in. I've also got the two ceiling lights to get wired in as well, so we get them done. So that's the plan for now anyway. Okay, see you guys, bye bye.